Hi everybody, Mark here at Vengeant Apparatus, and thanks for tuning in again to one of our vehicle showcases. This time we have a vehicle for Sterling Volunteer Fire Company out of Virginia, and thanks to another one of our great dealers, Atlantic Emergency Solutions, for representing us and offering our product in their portfolio. So we have an F450 brush truck, our Sandstorm brush truck, sitting on super singles from Buckstop. Great looking truck, 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. We have on the front there, we have the front bumper, Buckstop front bumper. We have some M series lights. We have a built-in super winch there in the front with the synthetic cable. We have some 500 V series, and in park mode we have white ground lighting there in the front. Up top we have the Liberty light bar. As you can also see there for scene lights, we have dual head Pioneer pole lights. All the graphics are done in-house by our graphics team, Mark.It Graphics. They did a fantastic job at the graphics layout. T-ions on the running boards. As we go along to the side of the vehicle and look on the inside here, we have a console box that we make in-house. Houses the controller, the radio head. It also has a VIN tag there on the side of the console with the job number, serial number, the manufacturing date that we do. All our boxes in the back of our Sandstorm body are fabricated in-house. They're made to customer spec, customer wants and needs. So we try to do our best to meet those. These are swing up style compartment doors. They are a compression latch, which means when you flip the latch and you flip the lever, it pulls the seal in. We have little drop down handles on here to pull the doors back down if you're shorter. Obviously, I don't have a problem. I'm 6'2", but as you can see, even with the helmet on, I can stand underneath the doors, and I'm not gonna have any problems. Flip down doors here. We have a lot of space, a ton of space in this vehicle. Transverse compartment. Big storage here with adjustable trays. We have strip series Whelen products in our bed rails. Our bed rail here is a patented bed rail. It's a recessed bed rail with the recessed wire track in the back side. We designed that in-house. This is an actual pull down step. So the reason for this step is you're not supposed to stand on the door, but they're going to put their nozzle from their hose reel. So if you are a shorter person or you need to throw it towards the back, you do have this step that you can stand up on to get up here to grab it to whatever you have to do. So that's what the step is for. It won't be used all the time, but if you need it, it's there. That we also designed here in-house. Let's move around to the other, top side here. We have the Summit stick from Whelen. That's scene lighting out the side with a nice shroud around the top side of it to protect it. In the back, we have our bumper with another winch mounted. This is not a removable winch from front to rear. This is 2 winches in the vehicle, one in the front, one in the back. We have our pull-out steps here as well with a flip-down step and a grab handle that you're able to get up on top if you need to get up on top. The customer did have a skid tank, so we are reusing the customer skid tank. We replumbed some of it to meet the new demand. We have 2 little short sections of a hose lay here with a pre-connect up top. And again, like I said, this is a customer used customer supplied skid tank. The only thing that we really did to it, like I said, is some other fittings for the ground sweeps up front. And also we put a little door on here so they have storage space underneath. Tow hooks, obviously if needed. Strip lights up top, strip lights down on the bottom, some smaller T-ions that fit in between their wording there on the rear rail. Backup camera is also mounted there at the letter N on the Sterling. And we also have some Summit lights for scene lighting out the back. They're actually really nice. They're up high. They don't blind you. Going to give real nice, ample scene lighting the whole way around this vehicle. So I'm glad you tuned in today to check out this nice looking Sandstorm brush truck. Super bright day out, beautiful day here in Pennsylvania. Building vehicles all around the world. We have a dealer network that takes direct care of customer. If we don't have a dealer network, depending where that may be at, which is more in the west, we work with you directly. You're always welcome to stop in and do a tour of the facility, see what we're building, see how we're building it. But once the chassis comes here, which we help organize getting that as well, once the chassis comes here, it does not need to leave to go anywhere else, meaning that everything is fabricated in-house, down from the bed to the toolboxes, as I said earlier, to even bed liner material coating, to even full paint. We have a 65-foot paint booth here in-house as well. Everything is done in-house. We have full control over it, so we can get you exactly what you're looking for and exactly what you need. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.